Create a new file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the ellipse tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. This can be any color you want. Select No Color for the stroke. Make an ellipse. Disconnect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 150 pixels and the height 500 pixels. Press Ctrl+T. Place the ellipse on the top part of the canvas on the vertical guideline. The bottom of the ellipse should be in the center of the canvas. Then click on the check mark. Select Exclude Overlapping Shapes. Press Ctrl+T. Select Toggle Reference Point. Place the reference point in the center of the canvas. Rotate the shape 20 degrees. Then click on the check mark. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T until the flower is complete. And that's how you create this flower with overlapping shapes.